Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to stream to Facebook Live using vMix. Let's begin. First, I'll open my vMix software. This is the interface. Now in the input section, we need to add a source. Click on it. Here you can add a camera, videos, or any media source. But for this tutorial, I'm going to add my display capture. To do this, I'll click on Desktop Capture. Then under Local Desktop, select Display 1 and click OK. Now as you can see, my display is visible in vMix. Next, click on the streaming settings icon. Here you'll see numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, which means you can stream to multiple platforms at once. For now, I'll select 1, and in the destination dropdown, select Facebook Stream Key. Now we need to enter the stream key. To get it, I'll open my Chrome browser and go to Facebook. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the home page, click on Live Video, then click on Go Live. Here, select streaming software as your video source. You can also enter a title and description for your live stream. Now, scroll down to find the stream key. Copy it. Go back to vMix, paste the stream key, and then either save and close or start streaming immediately by clicking Start 1. I'll save and close for now. To start the stream, simply click on the Stream button, go back to Facebook, and you'll see that your screen is now visible. You'll also notice a green tick next to Connect Video and Post Details, which means everything is set up correctly. To start the live stream, just click on Go Live, and that's it. Your stream is now live on Facebook. So, this is how you can stream on Facebook using vMix. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.